what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find your label sizes that you need for your hair care products or cosmetics before you actually have your bottles in hand. So believe it or not, I do get this question a lot when people are, in the beginning stages of creating the hair care line and they don't have the money yet to purchase the bottles and they're trying to do the research budget. I also get this in my mentorship as well as in my DMs when it comes to how do you figure out what size labels you need for your products and how to go about it. So today I am going to just make a quick video and tell you guys what I did in the beginning stages before I even was able to invest my money and purchase these bottles in bulk so that I could actually properly measure. There's 3 things that I did and I'm going to share that with you guys today. So one thing that you could do, which isn't going to take up too much money, is you could find the exact bottle or something similar, at least the same size bottle that you are wanting to use. If you can't find the color, at least you could find the exact bottle. So for example, if I was looking for these type bottles, but I wanted it to be in purple, so the Slim Cosmo bottles, but I couldn't find it and I only found it in blue, I would possibly go on Amazon. You can order like a pack of 6 or even smaller, sometimes 3 of a couple different products, including jars, and you can order a sample pack and then use that and measure it from the top to the bottom here, and then you would choose, like for me, I would always go to like the line that's on the bottle that you guys can't see, but here, and I would take my measuring tape and put it all the way around and measure the around the bottle, and that would be the size that I need. So by the width and by the length, and I would just import that into Canva and design my label. But what you could do is, first thing, go to Amazon, buy a trial pack of the exact bottles or similar, and take it home, measure it. The one thing is, you don't even have to use it. You can easily return it to Amazon and you can get your money back. So really, you're not losing out anything right there. The second thing that you could do is you could actually go to the website directly where you've purchased your bottles or where you plan to purchase the bottles. Either one, ask the supplier directly what is the label size for the bottles, or 2, look on their page at the bottle's description. Sometimes they actually have like a label size template, or they actually tell you the size of the bottle, or they'll tell you the size of the label. So going to the manufacturer's website and asking them is another thing that you can do when you are looking and you are in the beginning stages of planning for your hair care line business. And one thing that you can do that doesn't really cost any money, and if you have the same exact bottle that you do want to use in your house, say you're already using a jar that you're going to purchase the same exact jar or bottle, design pretty much like the size, because they're all pretty much the same, either Slim Cosmos or Boston Rounds, which are these ones. Let me find one. So this is a Boston Round and this is a Slim Cosmo. So most of the time you might have them already in your household, these exact bottles that you were planning on purchasing. So if you do, go ahead and take that bottle, measure their label and measure around. And that is one thing that I did actually before even purchasing, was going inside of my shower, inside of my bathroom, getting the hair products that I was planning on, like the same bottles I was planning on purchasing, measuring their label, the exact label, and then starting my design. And that is how I came up with the label for the hair oil. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I know it's self-explanatory, but there are people out there that really need help and they don't know what to do when they are in the beginning stages. And that's why I'm here. I'm here for you to help you through creating a hair care line from the ground up, okay? So if you guys have any other questions or video ideas that you guys would like me to do, comment it down below. If you guys like this video and you stayed till the end, make sure you guys comment a purple heart. You like the video, and you comment down below another video that you guys would like to see. But I hope that this video helped you if you are in the beginning stages and you are trying to figure out how to find the label size of the bottles that you want before you even start. Because let's be real, sometimes you have to take time to be in the beginning stages. You're designing your labels and you haven't purchased your bottles yet. And that's completely fine because we all have different levels we're at and how we start our business. So I hope that this video helped somebody out there. And if it did, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.